Hello, Seminole County Chamber members. Christina O'Leary again here with the Chamber. And I'm going to show you really quickly how to add a hot deal to our website. So all you have to do is log in to your Member Information Center, which we also refer to as the MIC. You do that by going to seminolebusiness.org and using your login credentials. You'll get to this back end of your chamber membership. If you cannot recall your chamber login information, shoot us over an email at info@seminolebusiness.org, and we will send you a link so you can reset that information. So this is the home page that you'll first log into. If you ever get lost when you're doing anything back here, just always hit this home button. That's what I do. So to add a hot deal, you're going to use the shortcut here on the left-hand side. It says hot deal. You're going to click on it. You're going to click the button that says add hot deal. And then you're just going to fill in the information. We give you lots of different avenues here to add information. We even let you put in some images for your deal that you have going on. Deals, we like to see them up for no longer than 90 days, just to keep the page fresh. We want all of our visitors to our hot deals page to think that they're getting the most up-to-date and current offers from all of our members. So if you're a chamber member and you don't have a deal up, you should definitely get one up really soon. All the different holidays are good ideas to surround a deal after. And then once you get all your information in here, just hit submit for approval right down here at the bottom. If you hit save as draft, the deal doesn't actually come to us. So you have to hit submit for approval. And then you definitely want to give us at least 48 hours to get that approved. And that's 48 business hours, not over the weekend. And then once we approve it, it will then appear on your member directory page. It will appear on the hot deals page, and it will also possibly appear on the Friday email, the weekend watch, where all of the hot deals are listed. So that is how you put on a hot deal. If you need to change anything about your hot deal, you just click this button here where it says manage hot deals. Obviously, the chamber doesn't have any right now, but maybe we'll put one up. Who knows? So you can manage your hot deals from here and make any changes. Just be sure when you make those changes that you submit it for approval once again, and then give us a couple days to get that approved and pushed out on our website. So that is an easy way to get some extra visibility for your business, is to add a hot deal. If you have any questions, reach out to us at the chamber. Thanks.